raindrops tap on my face, each one a whisper from the past, that they fall like secrets no one tells, dancing stories from the wishing wells. Pavement shines like a mirror below, reflecting dreams in the streetlight glow. And each drop a puzzle, a fleeting spark in the quiet hum of the after dark. Raindrops keep falling, they don't ask why. Washing your world as the clouds dry. They stay attuned, only hearts can hear. A melody soft but crystal clear. They race each other down the page, tracing lines like an endless chain. A symphony played by nature's hand, an orchestra only the sky can command. And in their fall there's a kind of grace, a rhythm found in their endless chase. They kiss the earth, they feed the sea. Raindrops tell stories of you and me.